dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. Welcome back to your #1 channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for this our green country. So we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with reports we go like share, give the general public. And the cocoa now we say the governor of Edo State to be Monday Okpebholo don't come aside now. They reject the recent comments them made by the 2023 Labour Party, their presidential candidate, man wey still be the former governor of Anambra State, and that now Mr. Peter Obi. And the comment wey Mr. Peter Obi make now regarding the integrity of the September 21st, 2024 governorship election will happen for inside Edo State. And no be lie, my good people. Reports dey ground as Mr. Peter Obi for one event wey men organized just recently, and the event dey in honor of the late Pa Edwin Clark. For the event, so Mr. Peter Obi come dey yarn say the labours of our heroes past is very much in vain for inside we nation Nigeria, and that na sake of say the way things be currently, e no nice at all, e no make sense. And he constantly talk about the Edo State governorship election. He say everybody know who true win the election, but sake of say mago now don too full the electoral process. Now why things be the way it be so for inside we nation Nigeria. Now onto this statement so wey Mr. Peter Obi make for inside the event. The governor of Edo State to be Monday Okpebholo, in a statement made by his chief press secretary wey be Fred Ituakonde yarn, say the allegations of Mr. Peter Obi, the former governor of Anambra State and the Labour Party, their 2023 presidential candidate, say the allegations when drop, say the election was not free and fair. You know, they only unfounded, but they also disrespectful to the will of Edo State people. Men wey exercise their democratic rights in a peaceful and transparent manner, according to how men take yarn for inside the statement. They say the Edo State governorship election was conducted by the highest standards of electoral integrity, as observed by both local and international observers. The Independent National Electoral Commission ensured a level playing field, and the process was widely acknowledged as credible. So Mr. Peter Obi's pronouncements are not supported by any credible evidence, and it appear to be driven by political expediency rather than a genuine concern for democratic principles. Regrettable, a figure of his standing would choose to undermine the democratic process with such baseless accusations. And the Edo State government they urge Mr. Peter Obi to retract his statement and respect the mandate freely given by the people of Edo State. And they employ Mr. Peter Obi to contribute constructively to the democratic discourse of this our nation, rather than engaging in practices really against the democratic system of this our nation Nigeria. And according to Mr. Fred Itua, will be the chief press secretary to the Edo State governor, the peace and stability of Edo State we are very much paramount. And because the yarn say Governor Monday Okpebholo no go allow anybody to jeopardize the hard-earned democratic gains we do not make so far. And the chief press secretary constantly yarn say the Edo State people don't talk and their voice must be respected. He say the Edo State people now don't cast their votes, them now don't give their mandates to Senator Monday Okpebholo wey don become the governor of Edo State. So make Mr. Peter Obi now no come enter media or any platform now go dey talk things and things wey no nice. This my good people now the response of the Edo State governor to the comment when Mr. Peter Obi make. And no be lie, my good people. The governorship election will happen for inside Edo State on the 21st day of September for the year 2024. Last now the APC their candidate will be Monday Okpebholo now win the election. And second say the PDP their candidate to be Aswen Ighodalo no like the result, in a carry the matter go court. And last the Edo State Petition Tribunal constantly rule, they constantly somehow judgment, they constantly reaffirm. So now the All Progressive Congress their candidate to be Monday Okpebholo now to true win the election. Or no be lie, my good people. No say even before the election conclude, even before the results come aside, some observers, some organizations, both international and local, them they come aside be the yarn that time. Say the election no make sense at all. Say if they can't credible election, if they can't election wey make sense, if they can't election wey nice, they no go count Edo State governorship election among because irregularity is too much. Mago is too much. The thing was very much visible, it clear for everybody eye. And now my good people onto this report. So anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions, No let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. But however, me still get another report for table wey I still need share give the general public. And the koko now be say the Edo State chapter of the People's Democratic Party don begin dey slam Chief Blessing Abubakar, wey be Speaker of the 8th Edo State House of Assembly. And the reason why the PDP now dey slam the speaker na sake of his recent defection from the People's Democratic Party go the All Progressive Congress. Now the PDP dey describe the defection as a staged, managed spectacle and evidence of long-standing betrayal. Person dey yarn this one so na Dr. Tony Azegbemi, wey be the chairman of the PDP, their caretaker committee for inside Edo State. And he dey make this remark so while in dey address Tori people for inside the PDP, their secretariat today for inside the government reservation area, and that na GRA Benin City. And during the address, Dr. Tony Azegbemi constantly yarn dey give Tori people say the People's Democratic Party were not surprised at all, and the thing no even move them. Say Oga Blessing Abubakar, wey be the speaker, don move, don defect, don decamp go the All Progressive Congress. Oga Tony constantly proceed further dey accuse Oga Blessing Abubakar of being a closest APC loyalist for months. That is, the man don dey betray the People's Democratic Party, and last he no kuku cross carpet go his home. And the proof to back up his claims so say Oga Abubakar be dey work for the All Progressive Congress na the role wey im play in suspending the duly elected local government chairmen wey be say most of them na members of the People's Democratic Party wey im bin dey before. And he say even as the period of the illegal suspension wey men give men for inside Edo State don expire, men never still call back the men wey dem suspend, and that alone dey speak volumes. That alone dey tell the general public say mago dey happen for inside Edo State. And then reacting to the APC their claim say 17 out of the 18 local government chairmen for inside Edo State don defect, the PDP leader come dey dismiss the claim. He na come dey yarn say that claim na pure fiction. As a matter of fact, im dey challenge the APC and Governor Monday Okpebholo to make dem produce the names of any actual PDP chairman wey don defect. After every Dr. Tony Azegbemi come dey declare say the PDP dey remain unshaken, nothing do them at all. Say men wey stand for nothing go always fall for anything, and Edo people are politically aware and they cannot be deceived by such theatrics dem. He constantly urge the supporters of the PDP across the state to remain focused and committed to the ideals of the party. This my good people, now the report wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Reality Latest Gist, and now we dey like give our latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you would like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news, they come your side and I go first receive the update and you go even get up sharp. And may they come back with more news, may they come back with more reports, may they come back with more information for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.